We've probably worked with NRCS on, I would say, close to 10 different projects over the years. We decided to work with NRCS on these programs. First of all, I guess it was from a cost share standpoint, and then they offer a lot of assistance on design options, and they've seen a lot of improvements over the years on different projects, so they give a lot of insight on what avenues to go down and what systems work best in scenarios that were similar to ours. They helped us design and size everything properly according to our farm's needs. They helped us develop a nutrient management plan, and just throughout the whole process, they helped us from the beginning design and engineering. They did all of that for us, and all the way throughout to see that the job was done properly. And they were on site numerous times during construction phases, and they were there to help us out through the entire process.